this is part 2 of Magst du Grüne Bohnen of your class 10th, first chapter, 6th chapter in your Beste Freunde book, page number 34. Remember that we are learning together, growing together. We may make some mistakes, but we'll try our best to provide you with all the correct information. So, let's go ahead and take a look at what was remaining in this page. There was a grammar topic that was remaining on this page. So, what exactly is it? Let me tell you. Sie sollen beantworten. That means they should answer ob die Portionen groß genug sind. Ob. If the portion is big enough. I want to talk about this particular word. What is this? This means if, or it means whether. Like, for example, here also it's given if the portion is big enough. If the or whether the portion is big enough. This is the meaning of of. Now, we don't usually do grammar topics when we are doing the chapter. We do grammar topics separately. So for that, I have made a video, a comprehensive video of the grammar topic of. It is in the description also, and it is right on the screen on the eye icon over here right now. You can go ahead and watch that. There are exercises on it, and the grammar topic has been explained properly. It is from your Get Ready book. Okay, but I'll still brief you about ob really quickly. So before we talk about ob, I want to talk about when we ask W questions, like wie schmeckt das Essen? How does the food taste? So how will you report this? You can report this like they asked, how does the food taste? So over here we are using we. So like over here, Sie fragen, this is our fixed phrase, comma, wie das Essen schmeckt. Here the verb goes at the last. Similarly, when I talk about ob is a conjunction. It's a conjunction. It's joining two sentences. It is used with ja, nein Frage. So like sind die Portionen groß genug? Is the portion big enough? Sie fragen. They are asking, or she is asking. What she asks? If or whether. Ob die Portionen, don't forget to put the verb at the last place. Ob die Portionen groß genug sind. Sind is coming at the last. It is coming at the end. So this is a brief about ob. It's a very easy topic. All you have to do is put the fixed phrase, which is Sie fragen, can also be weißt du. Weißt du means do you know? Ob, do you know? It is actually used with das more, like do you know that? So I won't go there. But yeah, go ahead and watch that video. You'll understand. So we will come to page number 35. Over here we have schreib du zweit weitere Fragen für den Fragenbogen. This means you have to write two more sentences, two more questions for the Fragebogen, which is questionnaire, which I think you can do by yourself because here they're already given us many question words. And like I'll just give you one more example. Like for example, we have wie viele. So wie viele participants Testesser can mitmachen. How many people can participate? How many people can become Testesser? So that way also you can make a question. You can just make two more questions. Is there prize ungemeinsam? That means is the price reasonable? Questions like that. Okay. Ein vegetarisches Gericht. So what is this? In this box, we get to see few words. And since they are colored, maybe on the screen they're not really that visible. But I hope your book is open so that you can understand it. So like over here, ein vegetarisches, a vegetarian Gericht. Gericht is a dish. And it is green color, so it is das. Green is das. Plural, for plural, it is yellow. Red, it is feminine. And blue, it should be there. That means masculine. So next word we have personal net. That means personal. Nachspeise, that means dessert. Over here it is written die Nachspeise. Next we have, I cannot see this over here. Sorry about that. We have Gesher over here. That okay, this should be Tasha if I'm not wrong. Gesher is utensils, more like spoon. Gesher Zauber, that means are the utensils, the spoons clean. And this is Preisgünstig or Preisgünstig. It's Preisgünstig, that means cheap price. Okay, next we have Gibt es auch ein vegetarisches Gericht. That means this thing also give. Auch is also ein vegetarisch Gericht. Does it also give a vegetarian? This canteen also give a vegetarian dish, a vegetarian option. So you can write ja, es gibt vegetarisches Gericht. If I talk about this question, which is was fragt ihr? Stellt eure Fragen für den Fragebogen vor. That means, what are you all asking? Stealth, that means for Stellan over here. Narrate your questions for the questionnaire. These are very simple, very basic questions. I just want to go through these because as I told in the previous um, part, that maybe you might be having some doubts about what these exactly mean. These aren't really important. The major things are these passages which you're going to have to learn. So how to answer this? You can answer this using ob, which is your grammar topic, first grammar topic, which is wir fragen. We are asking. Ob es euch, sorry, ob es auch ein vegetarisches Gericht gibt. That means, does it also give a vegetarian dish? Same question, same answer. Okay, now we're coming to the main thing. Now, obviously, since we won't be able to complete this passage in this video because we have like 4 minutes left. It's already 7 minutes. It's 3 minutes left now. So we'll discuss this in the next video. This video was basically just a quick understanding of what exactly the in between text mean. Let me tell you what this exactly means, and we'll begin with the whole paragraph in the next video. Lies an article, that means read the article. This is a article. Ordne die Überschriften und den Abschnitten zu. And you have to put in order. That means they have given you some headlines. You have to match it with the paragraph. So they have given you 1, 2, 3 paragraphs, and you have to match it according to A, B, C, whichever is the most suitable. So Überschriften, you can understand. Über is up, Schriften written. So headlines, right? Abschnitten, paragraph. Die Überschriften, Schriften, then Abschnitten. Why am I telling you this? Because you can even say like auf den Abschnitten, on the paragraph, or in den Abschnitten. Whatever the sentence is, you can even begin it like a introductory part. If you know the meaning, then you'll be able to do it. Like, for example, if you did not understand what I said was, whenever you're like saying about something, let's say, for example, in class, you want to begin a paragraph, or this paragraph says, you want to put this fixed phrase. So you can use these words like Abschnitten in this paragraph. So that's why you need to know these words. Anyways, so we are going to be beginning with this paragraph. It's very important, one of the most important paragraphs from the perspective of boards. So go ahead and watch the next part. It is very important.